Hello, Vanakkam, Namaste, Ada. Welcome back to my channel. Myself Indreja, and today, first of all, tell me how you all are. I hope all are doing well. Be safe. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to share the interesting fact with you people. So let's start the video. Dun, dun, dun. This is a favorite Indian's food, Indian snack. Not exactly food, snack. I can skip my food, but I can't skip this. You know, I literally loved it. So today I'm going to tell some informative things, whatever is written on this pack. Before starting the video, first of all, tell me how many people research or find the information about this packet or the information which has been written on this packet. You will find a few peoples, those who will research, but many people they'll simply have it and they'll just throw the packets. They'll think why it's not necessary to research and all this that. So today I am going to tell about this with those people, those who literally trying or feeling bored to research about these things and all. So let's start the video. I want to start from here. This is a logo of Kurkure, and down of this symbol, it indicate the product inside this pack is veg, and the symbol in red color, it indicate the product inside those pack are non-veg. Okay, so why it's mandatory for the food manufacturing company to indicate this symbol. Why they indicate? Let me tell you the reason. PETA, People for Ethical Treatment of Animals, has requested FSSAI, that is Food Safety Standard Authority of India, to indicate this symbols because it will help the consumer to choose easier way the product, whether veg or whether the product is non-veg. So that's why this symbol has been indicated. So beside this, per pack energy 140 cals, 7% of adult GDA, this one. Okay, is it visible? So this 7% percentage, it tells that the nutrients provided in this is in a portion. Nutrients like sugar, sodium, saturated fat and all should be consumed in a limited way according to WHO International Dietary Recommendation. GDA full form guidelines daily amount. Okay, in 2015, this has been introduced globally by Unilever. Now, back of this pack, I'll read it because it won't be visible to you people. So manufactured by Amco Flexible India Private Limited, registration number has been given. Okay, then nutritional information has been given like energy, protein, total carbohydrate, sugars and all. Guideline daily amount 2000 cals diet, it has been given here, and this is the manufacturing address, this is the ingredients, and net quantity, batch number, manufacturing date, everything has been given. Now come to this side. These blocks are the printer color blocks. It will inform the printer whether the packet has been printed correctly or not. Okay, so it means that only, nothing else. And about this, you can see the logo of partnering with farmers. It indicate why it has mentioned. I'll tell you the reason. PepsiCo India produced and developed Kurkure. They are in partner with farmers. They support the farmers in a 360-degree way. 360-degree. They buy many things like potatoes, rice oil, many things like from farmers, and they support the farmers like this. And you can, here it is written, for more details on PepsiCo India partnership with farmers, visit www.pepsicoindia.co.in. Okay, and marketed by PepsiCo India Holding Private Limited, manufactured by different company, marketed by different company. FSSAI, you can see here, as I said you earlier, Food Safety Standard Authority of India Act 2006. Every food business operator in India, whether they are transporters, distributors, manufacturers, it's necessary for them to indicate, okay, it's necessary for them to register the license number. Okay, this is a food safety certificate. This FSSAI, this one is a food safety certificate which is issued by the respective food authority of India. And yeah, that thing. Now I'll tell you some more interesting fact that tagline, every company or every product has their own tagline. Yes, why tagline is necessary? Tagline is necessary for marketing message, for brand recommendation. Competitors cannot copy your product vision and mission. A person can copy your product if you don't have any unique tagline. Okay, so for that tagline is important. And now brand ambassador is Akshay Kumar for this Kurkure. Why brand ambassador is necessary? Because they can protect your reputation, they can increase the traffic of your website, they can give the positive message to the public, they can increase the your brand. So that's why brand ambassador are necessary for a product or for a company. And now I'll tell you a few like very little about PepsiCo India. PepsiCo India, as I said, that Kurkure is a brand of popcorn, puffs and all. Sorry, corn and puffs. So PepsiCo India produced and developed the Kurkure. Okay, PepsiCo India is a multinational company. Headquarters is situated in New York, and the PepsiCo India has been formed in 1965. Okay, and yeah, PepsiCo India is merged with Pepsi Cola Company. Okay, and the marketed area is in worldwide. You can find PepsiCo in all over the world. So this much is about the Kurkure and about the company. So I hope everyone, it's useful for everyone and everyone like this information. So thank you so much, and please keep on supporting me. I can make this type of videos. I'll make more informative videos. I'll bring more knowledge fact, okay, to you. So thank you so much.